Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This session focuses on what are linguistic items. I hope and expect by the end of this session you would be able to understand the term linguistic items. You also need to understand what are lexical items, what are sounds, and what are constructions. And in fact, the relationship of these terms, lexical items, sounds, and constructions with linguistic items needs to be understood. Well, my dear students, if we take a very typical view, the typical view is that lexical items are listed. That is, listed in a lexicon, but that sounds and constructions are defined, that is, generated by general rules of principles. If I give you an example, the lexical items such as cat, dog, and horse, these are simply listed. They are listed along with their meanings and their various other characteristics, for example, in a dictionary. Whereas when it comes to sounds or when it comes to other constructions, it is not so the case. So, for example, you would not find a list which contains the pattern, for example, the word R, the R sound at the R sound that is produced at the end of the words, for example, car. So, whether it is to be pronounced or not, or the accent that would operate in the word daughter in English, or the varieties of these pronunciations, for example, of the two words in British and in American English, or the construction of, for example, a bare relative clause, you would not find them listed as per se in a dictionary. Well, my dear students, this contrast between lexical and other kinds of items immediately raises a theoretical problem. And what is that theoretical problem? If they are treated so differently in the grammar, why should they be similar sociolinguistically? And another related question that becomes crucial when it comes to how to treat these linguistic items in sociolinguistics is, how do the social facts combine with the linguistic facts to make these linguistic items to occur in a language or to stay in a language? Well, to answer this, what I would say, it is reasonably easy to include social facts about lexical items along with the linguistic facts, because ultimately those linguistic items, become a part of a language which have some social significance. So, for example, if in our today's life the word computer has a social significance, has some practical, use and usage, it is only that it would become a part of the linguistic items list where it is used. And also certain meanings that are associated to these linguistic items. For example, the mouse of a computer. The word mouse had a completely different meaning before that, but now a particular meaning is attached to it. So, this is the relevant point where, a relevance is created between a linguistic item and its social existence.